In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing in Google Docs. If you want your document to look cleaner, more readable, or better formatted for school, work, or personal use, adjusting the line spacing is a simple but very useful skill. Google Docs gives you several spacing options, so whether you want a compact layout or more room between lines and paragraphs, you can change it in just a few clicks. To get started, go to your Google Doc and open the document where you want to adjust the spacing. Make sure you're inside the file and can see the text you want to edit. Next, click on the text and highlight it. This part is important because Google Docs will usually apply your spacing changes only to the text you've selected. If you want to change the spacing for a specific paragraph, highlight that paragraph. If you want to update the whole document, you can select all of the text before continuing. Taking a second to choose the right section helps avoid changing areas you didn't mean to edit. Once your text is highlighted, look at the top formatting row in Google Docs. There, click the line and paragraph spacing icon. This is the tool that controls how much space appears between lines of text and around paragraphs. When you click it, a menu will open with several formatting choices. From this menu, you can choose the spacing option that fits your needs. The standard choices include single, 1.05, 1.5, and double spacing. Single spacing keeps lines close together and is useful when you want to fit more text on the page. Options like 1.15 or 1.5 give your document a bit more breathing room, which can make it easier to read. Double spacing adds even more space and is often used for drafts, editing, or academic formatting. You'll also see options to add space before a paragraph or add space after a paragraph. These can help separate sections without manually pressing enter multiple times. There's also a custom spacing option if you want more control over the exact layout. In the same menu, you may also find settings like keep with next, keep lines together, prevent single lines, and add page break before, which are helpful for more advanced document formatting and keeping your content organized. After you click the spacing option you want, Google Docs will apply the change right away. That's it. Your text will now reflect the new line spacing you selected.